سلام دوستای عزیز، خدا کنه جور صحتمند باشین. باز هم خوش آمدین. امروز بخیر ویدیوی ما طرز ولاگینگ می باشه که امی ویکند بخیر امروز فامیلا مولودکایم چند جای کار رفته نیستیم. شما رو هم که خود میبریم بخیر اکسپریانس خود که شما هم شیر میکنیم و در اینجا هم خاطره بر خود نگاه میکنیم که اگه اولادکای ما بخیر کلان شد ببینن که ما کجا رفتیم چی کارا کردیم. و دیگه امروز روز جمعه است. امروز چند جای کار رفته نیستیم. صبح بخیر طرف بیچ میریم، طرف دیگر کی bonfire که اولادکایم زیاد خوش داره. دیگه روز یک شنبه نیفهم تاله باز بخیر که هر جای رفتیم شما رو که خود میبریم. دیگه خواستم که همین ویدیوگاکایی که در چند روز پست کردیم یک کمک بریک بگیریم از اونا و همین ویکند امروز ما انجوی کنیم. خدا کنه که قسم اینا که در گذشته یگان ولاگ‌ها یگان ویکیشن یگان جای رفته بودیم براتون انداخته بودم خوشتون آمده بود. بازم تشکر از این کامنت‌هایی که همیشه پست میکنین سپورت میکنین. I love you guys. دیگه خیلی بریم سعی کنیم که ما بخیر کجا بریم.
Are you excited?
Yay! Hi guys. So
Ready?
yeah, so excited. So today we're going to be going to going to Target so we can pick up things for tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going bonfire. I'm so excited. So after we're gonna go to Target, and then after we're gonna go to Spectrum Mall. And I'm so excited because we get to eat dinner and we get to go play, and I'm so excited.
And we're gonna ride the rides. That big
Ferris wheel.
Ferris
Yay,
wheel.
I'm so excited. Sam.
Sammy, are you excited, baby? Excited.
He loves his mirror.
Okay, baby John,
This
let's
is his
go.
mirror. He
Go.
loves it.
Yay!
Yay! Let's
This is
go.
our outfit. Come on, let's show your outfit, baby.
Look over here, baby. Look.
Look. Say hi. Can you wave at the camera?
Hi.
Oh, this way.
Say hi.
Look.
Oh, right here. Let's do it right here.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi.
You ready?
Ready?
Let's do
خب
this.
دوست عزیز قسمی که دخترکم گفت و مادر شدیم تیار شدیم میریم بخیر شما رو همراه خود میبریم. And Sammy, turn around, honey.
Say I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go then.
Let's go,
baby John.
Hi.
Hi baby John, we're just enjoying this beautiful weather. Jack, همه تو خالی است دیگه.
We're right now on the couch.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Let's go. Where are we going?
The jungle gym. I'm so
Ooh.
excited.
I wish I could get in there.
Me too.
I'm gonna watch you.
I love climbing that thing. But thank God it's not hot right now, so the thing is gonna be cooled down.
Yes. It feels amazing right now.
Last time the sun was beaming on it.
I know.
Good job, baby.
Oh my god! Okay, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, now we're gonna go to H&M and shop for some clothes. So let's go. This is really cute. It's like a
Yeah.
Los Angeles thing.
Let's keep looking first.
Okay. This is cute.
What do you think about this one here? These are
That's
nice.
cute. Oh, we should get some jackets.
Yeah.
Definitely for school. Okay. This one? This one's so cute, guys.
Ready? You excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
You got some stuff?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Let's go.
And then I've got these pants,
John, okay, baby, keep it in the bag, okay?
and then just black pants.
No,
And then something for Sam.
no, you're so sweet.
You get a ticket and I get a ticket.
I'll hold it, baby.
You guys want to keep your tickets in here? Just kidding. No, wait. What's up? Ticket.
Do I give you money?
Ready? Yeah.
So exciting, Sammy!
Finally, you can sit down.
Sit
It's
here.
so
Yes!
Sit right here. Wait, let your phone sit
Spin,
here.
baby.
Oh.
Are you
1,000
excited?
feet high, Sam.
Are you excited?
Whoa, that's so much.
1,000 feet. Oh, see, there's the bell. There's the bell.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow, baby, look.
What?
Oh, I'm talking to you. Look.
No, stop. So cool. Wait, there's two Dave
Wow,
Busters.
Sammy,
Huh?
be
There's
careful.
two Dave and Busters.
Be
Right
careful.
there. Oh, this.
Look, it's okay. Be nice. Let me see. Don't touch that or no more outplaying. You want to play Spectrum?
Looks so fun, look. Oh, it's so fun.
Is it harder, like, to breathe when you're up higher?
Yeah, but
Oh my god, it's really high.
It's so high.
I'm just enjoying this.
You take a minute.
Huh?
Hot dog.
yes. You know why? You want me to grab one?
this was over here.
Oh my god.
Hey, how my eyes look under this? Look.
بیچارا راستی که ترسیدم سکن. Anyway. Why are you looking at me? It's my fault.
It's not high.
Not as hard as beating.
Oh, that looks cool.
Where? Whoa. I thought you were talking about.
Get those micros.
Good job. This way, baby. Look this way.
Nice jump.
Big boy jump. Good job. Oh, you got a smiley face.
Beautiful. Oh, here, wait.
خب دوستای عزیز از اینجا خلاص شدیم. من روبروی زی سفورا است که هر وقت که اینجا آمدیم هیچ وقت سفورا دست خالی نبر آمدیم. But I got the Mario.
They don't have it.
Got the Mario contour stick in the shade medium. And I can't wait to show you guys. That's it. نال بخیر آیسته طرف نام خوردن میریم. اوکی قسمی که گفتم منال آیسته طرف نام خوردن میریم. یک کمک vlogging outdoor now است چون خیلی متوجه میشه. But I'm doing this for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. دوستا
Hi.
خب امروز نال آماده شدیم اولاد رو میبریم پیش دکتر دندان چکاپ دارن باز دیگر بخیر یکم جای دیگر میریم آماده شدیم this is my outfit mommy outfit check
Sissy
star you look cute baby Sammy check
SpongeBob.
daddy check everybody's ready to go let's go بخیر let's get the day started Sam John we have to go baby اون مکمپلک چطور خوش داره ریفلکشن خود به آینه سعی میکنه بیما قربانی بابا که خود شام let's go baby خب دوستای عزیز قسمی که میبینین روان هستیم درا بخیر
من روزی که موادای جلدم میزنم یا سکین کرم یا روی نخ میکنم چیزا میکاپ نمیزنم، میمانم که بدم مقبول جلدم آرام باشه. با صبح بخیر میکاپ چیزا میزنیم دیگه. یا درستیم and we're ready. Sammy, are you ready baby? یک ذره در مود نیست به خاطر دکتر دندان میریم.
Playing my Roblox characters.
Poor
And
guy
Star
has
is
no
busy.
idea.
I know, Chara. What's with the traffic on a Saturday?
Yeah.
I don't know, but we're here.
Yeah, that's,
رسیدیم. Are you excited?
I'm really excited. I have
دندان
to.
کشنا چک اپ میکنه، چی چکه که خواو گرفته بانگیری میکنه. So he's not in the mood. Let me see.
He already knows.
I know. این dentist چیزا را خوش نداره. How do you feel baby?
Good.
Got your teeth nice and clean and fresh. Now we're just waiting on baby brother.
I'm just playing with my Roblox characters.
John, how did you do, baby? Well, he's not happy right now. Let's go. Come on, Star. Come on, Star, baby. Thank you. Did you get an ouchie? You ready, baby? سلام دوستای عزیز، خدا کنه خوب باشین. امروز یک شنبه است. امروز پلانینگ ما بود بخیر که بیچ بریم بانفایر داشته باشیم. منتها امروز یک ذره ابر می باشه هوای ابری مزه نمیته پیش بیچ که بریم. تا یک ذره گفته ویگه کم تو گرمک باشه خوش آدم میاد، چون اینجا که کمک پیش بیچ با سرد می باشه. سو بجای از تصمیم گرفتیم که اولادها را با غوش ببریم. زو بسیار خوش دارن بچه که هم دختره که سو اقسم هوا برای زو پرفکت است که کل روز اگر بگردیم گرم نیست، هوای بسیار خوشایند است. در کالیفرنیا همیشه هوا بسیار خوب شده دیگه. یک چند روز پیش بسیار گرم شده بود. برای نیمه دوستای عزیز از میکاپم خلاص شدم، فاینال لوک را براتون نشان میدم. باز بخیر دیگه میریم شما رو همراه خود میبریم. سلام دوستای عزیز، خدا کنه خوب باشین. قسمی که میبینین میکاپم خلاص شد. بسیار یک میکاپ سیمپل کردم. لب گلاس میزنم، یک ایرینگز و چیزا میمانم دیگه. this is my outfit. اینجا دخترکم امروی به مچینگ کرده. جان I love it. I did her hair. میکاشم باش تر کردم. این دیگه بسیار شوق سرخی را داره. Baby, let me see this. Remember I told you blush goes like this. Look up. Like this, and you go upwards, okay?
Oh.
Don't bring it down your face. Here, mommy.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Are you almost done? Okay. Here, try some lip gloss.
Can I wear a... Yeah, lip gloss.
You can try that one or that one. I love you.
Love you too.
Are you guys done?
Yeah.
Okay. We're almost ready. Outfit check. یا رو باز پسندتر جمع میکنم. بیشتر به شما برای تیک تاک، برای یوتیوب، برای اینستاگرام عکس گرفتم، ویدیو تر کردم دیگه. بار بخیر پسندتر جمع میکنم. And that's it, we're ready. You ready, baby?
Yes.
صدق کردید شام. You're so ready. You got daddy خود match کرده.
Hey guys.
Sam and daddy are matching. Star and mommy. Hi, say hi. Can you wave at the camera, baby?
Wave, baby, wave.
Good job. I love this one. Star, you want some? Come on. Always put it right here. Come here.
What?
Your wrist, so I can do this. Wanna rub it? Rub your wrist together. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, that's strange. Bye.
خب دوستای عزیز، انالا طرف زو بخیر روان هستیم. شوهر میکنم که گس میگیره. ما با چگه که منتظر هستیم که دختره کم رفتن. سو مست قیزشام جگری مامی، نفسی مامی، گوگوگاکی مامی. باید خدا کنه که این ولاگه که این ویکند ما خوشتان بیاد دوستای عزیز. یک کمک تغییرات خواستم بیارم باز بخیر. از هر جایی که رفتیم ما ویکند یک کلپاکای بسر خورد گرفتیم. What'd you got, baby?
Come for you.
Thank you. What'd you get?
I got Gatorade and candy.
Oh, enjoy.
I like this type of Gatorade. Do this. Like picture.
Don't spill it, okay? I need you to hold it. Lift it up, baby. Slowly.
That's it. All done.
John, did you like it, baby John? Say all done, thank you.
Okay.
Good job. Say thank you, Sissy.
I don't think he liked it.
Say thank you, Sissy. Wait. خوش نامد.
Maybe it was too sweet.
Is it good?
Opening.
That's why Nathan is for the picture. That's why you couldn't drink it from me.
You see?
Sam John, say thank you, Sissy.
It's working?
Oh, he's saying thank you, Sissy. Sammy, look how yummy that is. Sam John, wake up.
No.
Try it, baby. It's yummy.
Okay, Sam, we're here. Ready?
Look.
Roll up the windows, babe. Sam John, go ahead. Put in your mouth. It's yummy.
Look. Yummy. No.
Tickle him or something.
Okay. Wait, John. There you go. Wee.
At least he's eating the sugar.
It's too sour.
No, it's not.
Star baby, wait. We're here. We're gonna go after. So exciting.
Can I have one of my candies?
Yeah, baby. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Star, I love your hair.
Thank
It
you.
looks so pretty. No, hello. John.
I got the hairstyle on Roblox.
Yeah? Nice. خب دوستای عزیز رسیدیم بخیر. یک روزک خوب آمدیم، یک تایم بسیار خوب آمدیم که هیچ بیروبار نیست. هوام هم خوشمزه دیگه. نال میریم داخل بزو طرف هم نشان تا میدیم.
Thank you very much.
John. Oh, those are new. That's pretty cool. Try, baby. Sit down, baby.
Now my sit down. Sit.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah?
Oh, wow.
He's a cat.
Remember some of the other ones before they had here? Like older ones? And bigger?
Oh, there they are. Oh, yeah, look at them.
Come on, Sam, let's go this way.
This is all new, baby. چند وقت اینجا بسته بود بسیار خوب اجرا کردن بخی نو تازه تغییر دادن بخی بسیار خوب چیزهای دیگه هم اد کردن اینمی منطقه رو بخی نو تغییر کردن او طرفش بسیار خودترک بودن John, what is he looking at? شو رسه دارم
What is it?
It's black jaguar.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it?
Wow, they really changed this place within
Yeah.
like a year.
Mm-hmm.
Look,
Remember
Star, the Jaguar goes up here to there. To this side. Look, Star, is that another one? A big one.
That's a mountain lion.
That's a big one.
I think the mountain
That's
lion's
cute, too.
next here too.
Yeah, look, it's part of their encounter too. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Look, mountain lion.
Oh wow, the
That's
walrus.
the big one.
Wow,
Big
that
one.
is.
Hold on, look.
I think the mountain lion cage is connected to the jaguar.
Right there up on the ledge. Jaguar. Ooh, look, you can see all the cats. Look,
Stand by sister. Stand right there. Stay right there. Stand right there.
Leopard.
Where? You can see it.
It says jaguar or
Oh,
jaguar.
it's that black, that one right there. It's sleeping. See the pattern on it?
Where?
You can see it. On the
No
sticker.
wood.
John. John, is that a baby fox? That is baby gagas. Oh my god, look! Hey, John!
Now I want it as my pet.
I know. خدا چشون چقدر می‌گردی. Look at this cool decoration.
So cool. Oh, look at that spider here.
Good look.
Look at the dead flamingos.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Are you having fun, baby?
Uh-huh. I'm not having so much fun.
So خوبک شروع کرد اینجا.
Can we go to the pumpkin patch?
Yeah, baby. Samchuk, I love you.
At least it's in the zoo, so it doesn't have to worry about anything.
No. And no food to worry about because they feed them.
Yeah.
What's over here? Oh, yeah. Those are the ones you used to fly apart. What's coming up now?
Oh my god, those bears look so cool. Look at them. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, wait. I thought there was another one. Oh my god. I'm an American Crest.
Just put your arms out. You're like, go this way a little bit more. Yeah, right there. You're the red-tailed hawk. There's a snake right here.
There's a snake over there.
There's a snake right here. Too. Look right here. Head is trying to go up.
Oh, what's this?
Next one.
Next one, baby.
Look at the snake mouse. It's cute. A rosy
Well, those are not fidgets.
I wonder why they don't have this.
Let's go, baby.
I'm tired.
I know. Look, Star, they put a spider there.
Oh, Jesus, creepy.
Sammy, look at the spider.
Oh yeah.
It's a what?
An ocelot.
Pretty.
Oh wow, look how pretty that one is.
The arm is missing. Look.
Wait, Joanna, que está nada.
That's so sad.
So sad.
That's sad.
Yeah.
At least they're keeping this one so it doesn't get, so it can have the best life here.
Is it gonna come?
Maybe you want to feed this one over here?
Oh, stop.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go,
Sam
let's
doesn't
go,
like
let's
it.
go. I want to go.
She can pay for it fast. 1 minute left.
Alright, thank you guys so much. Hand washing's ready. I will be closing in just a few minutes, guys, so hold it.
Let me take.
They don't like you, Ari.
Wash hands, baby.
Wash my hands. Here.
Sam, do that again. All done. Sam John, ready to go? Okay.
Be careful. Come on.
Oh, he wants to do it alone.
Sit on your mark. I need to go. Sit on your mark.
Wait, John. Okay, go, baby, run. Get some energy out. Go, baby, gotta keep. Where are you taking it?
Where there?
Where?
Like where there?
Right there? Okay, go ahead.
Danny was telling me that we should do the Santa Ana or whatever.
Wow, that's it? That's it?
Move tree.
I can't move the tree, baby.
What was it, that one?
Oh, look, you want to climb on that tree with Sissy?
Daddy can help me.
Come on, you can do it, Star.
You're supposed to help with your mom going up.
Keep it together.
Daddy, come help me.
I know, it makes it harder.
Come on, Star. Strong as thing.
Oh. Always forget.
Why did you?
Hey.
Oh no! ما تبي والله قلت تبيكني.
My bad.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you? Oh my god. Good job, Star. Here, let me take your picture, baby. Hold on. Sam John, what are you doing, Boba John? حالا کار چی جور شد؟ الو که من صدقه تو شام چرا تو میکنی؟ Get him, Star! Get him! He's fast. Get him! Okay, Bia, come on, get it, Koro. Start, my turn. Let me see if I can.
Okay, do it.
That's it?
خب دوستای عزیز، خدا کنه که ولاگه که امروز دی نروز خوشتان آمده باشه. ما رو ساعت ما تیر شد و این چیزا کارم خاطره بر خود جور کردیم که کد شما شیر کنیم. باز در امروز سنده است بخیر، در دیگه ویکند انشالله بیچ خودم میریم و بانفایر در اونجا می داشته باشیم بخیر که او را هم در می کلپک براتون اد میکنم دیگه. باز همگیش یک جای براتون شیر میکنیم. بازم تشکر یک جهان که از سپورتتان، از لایکایتان. I love you guys so much. تا دیگه کلیپ بخیر.
I'm looking for a sand bug.
videoan. Bubagaki ba? Hi, baby. So I can bite you off. Good job, Story. Oh, my babies. You ready?
Yeah, well, yeah, probably